Hi, my warmest greetings from Barcelona. Today's topic is composition in sketching. And speaking of composition, we have to take into account that often are mixed up such subjects as composition and narrative content. When we speak about objects depicted in our sketch, here is a boat, here is a clock tower, light mast. We are speaking about narrative content, about story, what you are going to tell to your viewer. When we speak about composition, we have to speak about creative means of our art, creative means of sketching. And these creative means are lines, are spots, hatching, and so on. So speaking about composition, we have to avoid two extremes. And this is monotony and fragmentarity. Monotony, it's a case of camel in the desert. It's a first case. It doesn't matter what here is depicted, some spots, some lines, but here is a lot of space which is not working. It's just a plain, boring space. The same effect of monotony is when we place spots, some lines of the same size with the same intervals. It's monotony and it's boring. And there is another case, and this another case is fragmentarity. So, for example, I have here something very big, and here I have part of something else. And you have a desire to step back, to look at objects which are cut by a frame. So this is a case of fragmentarity. And if we avoid fragmentarity and monotony, it's a big step toward nicely balanced composition. So for today, we are finishing, and later on, I'll make a video on topic of composition with more explanations on this topic. So, hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.